All right, tell me if this sounds like a familiar sound. All right, so these Birkenstocks are about a year old. This one I fixed. This one I haven't done yet, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you need a stainless wire brush like this. And here's what about a year worth of wear looks like. And here's what it's gonna look like when we're done. So what you do, you take this brush, you just get in here, start giving it a good scrub, and it'll start to lighten up. You can see it's a good amount of work you have to do to get this thing to. Couldn't even read where it said Birkenstock before. But anyways, get in there and really give it a scrub, and you see how it's starting to get light there. So you're going to want to do that all through here till it looks like that. And I will say this part's leather on mine, and this part isn't. The straps aren't leather, so don't do it on that part or you'll wreck it. So anyways, this should fix your farting Birkenstocks. Peace.